how to pay for the Netflix subscription that you have bought. Now, in order to pay for Netflix subscription which you would like to buy, first of all create a Netflix account and choose the package which you would like to buy. For example, I have selected this premium version of Netflix in an offer price, and after selecting the package you will also see something like this page. Just simply tap into try premium, and after tapping in that it will tell you to choose how to pay. Now, depending on your region or country, you are gonna have different payment methods in this page. You might have Visa and credit card like I have in here, or you can also select the other payment methods such as PayPal and Alipay and all of those options if you have that available in your region. It is not available in my region, so I have to pay with the credit card. I'm tapping to credit or debit card. You just simply need to select the payment method which you would like to use in order to pay for the Netflix. And once you tap in there, you are gonna provide your card details, expiration date, the CCV code and name on the card. And once you enter all of these details, check this box and tap to start membership. And if you have the enough amount required to get the subscription in Netflix, it will be paid and you can very easily use Netflix from now on. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.